Okay, hello everyone. So in this video, we will going to identify or determine the degree, the leading term, the leading coefficient, and the constant term of the given polynomial function. Okay, again, we have the degree, the leading term, the leading coefficient, and the constant term. Okay, example number 1. F of x equals 3x squared minus 4x plus 5. So, find the following: the degree, the leading term, leading coefficient, and the constant term. Okay, degree, ito yung pinakamataas na exponent sa polynomial function natin. Okay? So, kung ano yung pinakamataas na exponent na nakikita natin. And this example, the degree is 2. And the leading term, ito yung term na may pinakamataas na exponent. So, which is 3x squared. So, that is the leading term. So, ang leading coefficient, ito yung coefficient ng leading term natin, which is 3. And constant, ito yung walang kasamang variable, which is 5. Okay, number 2. We have f of x equals 4x minus 5. Okay, so remember na kapag wala tayong nakikitang exponent ng variable, ang exponent nun ay 1. So now, ang degree ng given function natin, which is 4x minus 5, the degree is 1. And the leading term is 4x. The leading coefficient is 4. And the constant is negative 5. Okay, now let's have an example number 3. We have f of x equals 7x plus 5x squared minus 3. So, kung napapansin ninyo, hindi siya naka-standard form. Okay, so paano natin kukunin yung degree, the leading term, the leading coefficient, at constant term ng hindi naka-standard form? Okay, so degree, so sabi natin, ito yung pinakamataas na exponent na nakikita natin sa function, which is ang pinakamataas na exponent na nakikita natin ay 2. Therefore, the degree is 2. And ang leading term, ito yung may pinakamataas na exponent. Yung term na may pinakamataas na exponent, which is, the term is 5x squared. And then, the leading coefficient, ito yung coefficient ng pinakamataas na exponent na term, which is 5. And then, constant is, ito yung walang kasamang variable, which is negative 3. Okay, example number 4. F of x equals negative 7x squared plus 2x raised to 5 minus 8. Okay, again, hindi siya nakaayos sa standard form. Okay, to find the degree, pipiliin lang natin kung saan dyan or alin dyan sa mga terms na yan ang may pinakamataas na exponent. And that is, pinakamataas na exponent ay 5. So, therefore, ang degree is 5. So, ang leading term natin, siya yung term na may pinakamataas na exponent. Therefore, we have 2x raised to 5. And ang leading coefficient natin, yung coefficient ng leading term natin na 2. And ang constant term, yung walang kasamang variable, which is negative 8. Okay, and that's all for now, and thank you for watching. So please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and to click the notification bell for more videos. Thank you!